Hello everyone, welcome back to RoboSphere. Learn, build and innovate. Have you ever want to build an electronic circuits without the risk of damaging components or spending money on hardware? What if I told you that you can design, test and simulate the circuits completely free using nothing but on your computer? So today's episodes, I will introducing you to one of the best beginner-friendly tools for electronics and robotics. That is Tinkercad. Okay? And before we get started, I will also have to our episode 2 giveaway winner to announce. First, a huge thank you to everyone who watched, liked and subscribed and took part in our giveaway. And the winner of our episode 2 giveaway is Kishaly Kishore from Jharkhand. And congratulations. And also want to upfront about something. The gift will be shipped by the end of this month. And I apologize for the delay and any inconvenience this may cause. And thank you for your patience. So to everyone who didn't win this time, don't be discouraged. We will be running many more giveaways in upcoming episodes, and so stay tuned. And now let's move to our today's sessions. So what is a Tinkercad? Tinkercad is a free browser-based design and simulation platform. So it is developed by Autodesk. It is widely used by teachers, students and the engineers all over the world. And with a Tinkercad, you have to design 3D models, build electronic circuits and program Arduino boards and test your projects before assembling them physically. So the best part, everything runs directly in your browser. So there is no software to install. How to open Tinkercad? Let's open Tinkercad together. Open your web browser and type www.tinkercad.com into the address bar. If you are a new, click join now to create a free account. If you have an already one, simply click sign in. Once logged in, you will land to the Tinkercad dashboard. This is where all your project will be saved. So this is the Tinkercad dashboard, and you have to many options over there. Then look at the create and 3D design, circuits and code blocks. 3 options over there. Here we are using the circuits. First we are building the circuit. So let's discuss our main features of a Tinkercad. So first feature is 3D design. So in the sections, you have to create 3D objects for printing and product design built from a simple shapes. And the next one is circuits. So from this circuits moves throughout our robotics journey. Here you can work with LEDs, batteries, breadboards, resistors, Arduino Uno, sensors, motors and switches, and everything behaves just as it would with a real hardware. And the next feature is code. So Tinkercad also supports the programming. You can write Arduino code directly or I use a block-based programming. Now let's build our first project together. Click create new circuits. You will see an empty workspace open up. On the right hand side, you will find out all available components. Drag a breadboard into the workspace. So here I am taking only one breadboard, and after that I add an LED with the color of red. You have to choose any color, green, yellow, orange, any color. Here I am choosing the red color LED, and followed by the LED, I taken a resistor, and the resistor value should be 470. In previous episode, I already told you we are taking 470 ohm resistor. And finally, connect a battery. Later, you should arrange the components like battery, LED, resistor in a proper way. So, I already told you the LED have two legs. One leg is anode and another one is cathode. So, the anode of the LEDs should be connected to the one leg of resistor. Another leg of the resistor should be connected to the positive side of the battery, and the negative side of the LED should be connected to the negative side of the battery. So this is the way you have to connect it, and arrange the wiring carefully. And I am giving the color, the negative wire as black, and red color as the positive wire. So I connected like this. Later I click the start simulation, and there it is, the LED, red LED lights up. By default, the LED lights up in red, but Tinkercad also lets you customize its color. Simply click on the LED, and in the properties panel on the right, you will see a color drop down. Let's try changing it into yellow. See how it instantly updates in the simulation. Now let's try to green, and finally let's set into blue. As you can see, you can experiment with any color combination you like depending on your project's needs. That's how simple it is to test your ideas before bringing them to life in the real world. Before we move on, let's also save our project with a proper name so it's easy to find later. Click on the project title at the top. By default, it says something like Untitled Circuit, and rename it something clear. For example, I am here put the LED with a 9-volt battery. So the next feature is simulation. This is one of the favorite feature, and instead of wiring things up to real life right away, you can click start simulation, and if there is an error in your circuit, you will able to find out or identifying and correct it without risking any actual components, saving your time and money. Why should beginners learn Tinkercad? So practicing in Tinkercad before we building a real circuits or electronics, and it helps you to understand the circuit safely and learn Arduino programming and sharpen your thresholding skills and improve your confidence and avoid the cost of damaging components. Whether you are a school teacher or a student, if you are interested in robotics, Tinkercad is an excellent place to begin your skills. If you found this video is helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel RoboSphere and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next tutorial, and share this video with anyone who interested in robotics, electronics and Arduino. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep building and keep innovating. See you in the next episode.